If you are looking for the best drones, this video is for you. Here is the 3 best drones you can buy. Don't forget to check the link in the description for pricing. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. Specifications. Flight time, 31 minutes. Camera, 4K, 30 FPS. Smartphone controlled. Yes. FAA registration, not required. Indoor use. No. Rotors. 4, 2 blades per rotor, replaceable. Size, unfolded, 9.6 by 11.4 by 2.1 inches. Weight, 8.8 ounces. Reasons to buy. Plus relatively inexpensive. Plus long battery life. Plus easy to fly. Reasons to avoid. More susceptible to wind gusts. For most people, the DJI Mini 2 will be the best drone for their needs. It's tiny, able to fit in the palm of your hand, easy to fly, and can last up to 31 minutes in the air. And, at $449, it's also the least expensive of DJI's drones, making it more accessible to the masses. The Mini 2's camera resolution has been improved over the previous generation, so it can now shoot at 4K, 30 FPS. And, because it's gimbal stabilized, it's just as smooth as ever. Because of its lightweight, 249 grams, you don't need to register the Mini 2 with the FAA, but it also means that the drone is more susceptible to high winds. Still, it's amazing what DJI packed into the minuscule Mini 2. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Specifications. Flight time, 41 minutes. Camera, 5.1K, 50 FPS. Smartphone controlled. Yes. FAA registration. Required. Indoor use. No. Rotors. 4, 2 blades per rotor, replaceable. Size, unfolded, 13.7 by 11.1 by 4.2 inches. Weight, 1.97 pounds. Reasons to buy. Plus amazing camera quality. Plus long flight time. Plus great obstacle avoidance. Reasons to avoid. Lacks 28x zoom of Mavic 3. If you took the DJI Mavic 3 and sliced off the 28x digital zoom, and $500, you'd get the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Otherwise, everything we loved about the Mavic 3 is here in the Mavic 3 Classic. Amazing camera quality, incredibly long flight time, and excellent obstacle avoidance. In fact, we like the Mavic 3 Classic so much that we think it's the better option for most videographers, unless you really need ProRes video. The 28x zoom on the Mavic 3 is a neat trick, but it's ultimately not all that useful. So, save yourself $500 and thank us later. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. Specifications. Size, folded, 5.8 by 3.5 by 2.4 inches. Size, unfolded, 9.9 by 6.7 by 2.8 inches. Weight, 249 grams. Camera sensor, 1/1.3 inch CMOS, f/1.7 aperture. Field of view, 82.1 degrees. Max image size, 12 megapixels. Max video resolution, 4K, 30 FPS. ISO range, 100-3200. Flight time, 38 minutes, 51 with extended battery. Reasons to buy. Plus can shoot vertical video. Plus extremely long flight time. Plus easy to fly. Plus light and agile. Reasons to avoid. Fewer obstacle avoidance sensors than Mini 3 Pro. Lightweight makes us susceptible to wind gusts. The DJI Mini 3 is a good middle ground between the $760 DJI Mini 3 Pro and the $449 Mini 2. Like the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 3's camera can rotate 90 degrees, so that you can take vertical video, great for capturing tall buildings in their entirety, or yourself, if you're the selfie type. What we like even more about the Mini 3 is that it has pretty epic flight time, up to 51 minutes with the extended battery. You'll probably run out of room on your memory card before the Mini 3 needs to return home. However, to cut costs, the Mini 3 doesn't have as many obstacle avoidance sensors as the Mini 3 Pro, and its camera is a little less capable. There's no slow-mo video setting, for instance. But those are fine trade-offs to get you a drone for less than $500.